You hate your creepy uncle, you found out your girlfriend just cheated on you, your mom is fucking old. I've got the right Christmas card saying for all those situations. Why the hell did I decide to do this? Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and welcome back to Zizmas. You know, 'tis the season and we all are only worrying about one thing and one thing only, Christmas cards. Which kind of cards do I buy? Can I DIY one? Who do I need to send it to? What am I gonna write in it? Basically, this video gives you all the answers because as we all know, I'm a fucking beauty guru. So if you need a last minute solution because you have been too busy during December watching all my daily uploads, yep, I'm uploading daily at this time. So go down below, subscribe, click the bell and join the hype. No, just kidding. Kinda. No, but today Santa's sleepy helper back here and me myself are gonna show you all our favorite like Christmas cards, sentences and sayings and all that good stuff. Now before you can write your Christmas card, you obviously just like need a Christmas card. You could totally go out and buy one, but that's just boring. Give it a personal touch, DIY it. Now as soon as you've got your like cards ready, you need to get organized and write down a list of all the people you need to send one to. And I'm gonna tell you what you should write into them. To make it really easy for you, I put this into different categories, so there is a saying for every single person in your life. You just stay tuned. The first saying I've got for you actually is a basic one that I like to use every single year. Christmas is all about like caring about each other and kind of working on your relationships. And what's the most important thing in a relationship? Honesty. So yeah, the saying is just damn honest, but it rhymes, so it's kind of cute. Didn't buy a present, times are hard, so I just sent a fucking card. The next saying I've got for you is definitely a bit more specific. I would probably like send it to my mom, you can also send it to a dad, or just like to that one creepy uncle that everyone has in their life probably. You know, once again, just like be honest and kind of tell them what's up. You know you're getting older when Santa starts looking younger. Next one is to send to your cool hipster gangster friend fuckboy down the road, whatever. It's just basically like the best wishes you could like kind of bless a person like that with. May you be surrounded by hoes this Christmas. If you don't like it, don't worry, I've also got like a very festive alternative for this. May your nuts remain uncracked this season. Actually, if said fuckboy or gangster or like just like all the ladies man asked you for advice on like a Christmas card saying, or actually if you are that fuckboy gangster ladies man, I've definitely also got the right saying for you. I don't know, I just like feel like it's fitting, it's perfect, it's festive. I feel like all the girls will love you for this one. Don't worry girl, I'm sure Santa won't mind us being a bit naughty over the holidays. However, if you recently actually found out that your girlfriend or boyfriend has been naughty with someone else, I've also got the right card for you. I don't know, it's just like straight to the point, still kind of festive. I feel like breaking up over text is such a no-go nowadays, so we should just like do it the old school way. Found out you were naughty, it's a wrap. Also, after such a traumatic breakup situation, you probably will kind of drown your sorrows in alcohol. So tell your bestie with a card. Let's get lit this Christmas. However, I don't drink at all, and I also don't have a boyfriend to break up with. God, when will the day finally come that I can kiss someone under the mistletoe? No, but I thought I'd give you an alternative for all your foodies out there and share like my favorite Christmas card saying ever with y'all. It's genius, it's honest, it's festive, it's the best thing ever. Christmas calories don't count. Let's eat our feelings together. That's it for my Christmas card sayings. You should definitely use all of them and always remember to attach a send back envelope for leftover Christmas cookies. Anyway, I'm gonna go and let you guys write all your Christmas cards. Let me know in the comments what kind of stuff you would write into a Christmas card. And also if you actually like still write Christmas cards, or if you're just one of those persons who just like send a Merry Christmas to their whole address book in their phone. Also, if you enjoyed this video and found it very helpful, like all my beauty guru videos, definitely leave a like down below. And subscribe, click the bell because as I said, I'm uploading daily in December at this time. Preview for tomorrow's video is in the end card as always. Until then, check out my other social medias and send me some creative Christmas wishes over there. I'm gonna go, so thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! Ah, look at me! Unboxing, when did this turn into a tech channel? I don't know. Drop all your leftover Christmas cookies at our house. I actually think I want to get started on my baking videos for this season. As thick as my ass. I'm excited! Why the hell did I decide to do this?